Well, I would like to congratulate Professor Kiamba because this is a very high-class office, and particularly now that we have so many students and staff. It's such a huge animal, as it were, that to be able to be allowed the capacity to handle that kind of big animal is a great honor, and I'm wishing him well.
Let me take this opportunity and very warmly congratulate Professor Kiamba for the appointment to the position of the Vice Chancellor of the University of Nairobi. It is not a mean task, as you all know, and to get to that position, it means one has achieved a lot, which he has. And we really look very forward to working very closely with him, some of us who have occupied those positions, to give him every support so that he can provide the necessary leadership in this university. So really, he has my best wishes throughout. He will get, and I guarantee him, my best support throughout his tenure as the Vice Chancellor of this university. That is always what we have done. That is what we did to Professor Magoha. That is what we did to Professor Mbithi. That is what we shall do to Professor Kiamba to ensure that this university can reach incredible heights.
Professor Kiamba has the institutional capacity. Professor Kiamba has the academic capacity. He has got the relevant experience. And I can say this because I have worked with him as a Vice Chancellor. He performed his duties with excellence. I therefore want, with great delight, first of all, to congratulate Professor Kiamba on his appointment as the 8th Vice Chancellor, and secondly, this time of his installation. Congratulate him again and wish him well. I know that Professor Kiamba comes in as a Vice Chancellor during a difficult time in the history of the world. But I have also worked with him, and he has the resilience. He has gained experience and wit and tact that will enable him, with the will of God and the support of all the staff and other stakeholders, to be able to discharge his mandate very successfully. I therefore wish him very well. I'm very happy for him. I'm very happy for the university. I endorse him fully, and I want to tell him and everyone that, as always, I will always be there to give any necessary support to be able to drive the University of Nairobi forward.